Just a quick unboxing of some stuff I ordered. I haven't ordered for a while, but here we are. I allegedly got some RAM, some DDR4. Let's see how to cut this open the most efficiently. Like here. Maybe. I even forgot how to do these. Even the box cutter is not sharp enough. I wasn't prepared, so let's see if I can do it. Ew. What is this? Oh, these are the... Yeah, these are basically small UPSs. This and they cost like $2 a piece. You just need to add the battery and that's all. These are really smart little things. Let me just get a hold of one. Yeah, I think I unboxed one already on this channel. But I don't know if I explained what's happening here. So this little thing, focus. This little thing can charge from a USB, 5 volts, charges the battery here, and outputs voltage from 5 to 12. I don't remember how much you can... Oh, yeah. You just select it with this, and it's in increments of 0.1 volts, if I remember correctly. And yeah, this is like an uninterruptible power supply, because when there's no more charging current, then it takes power from the battery and transforms it into up to 12 volts and feeds your router, switch or whatever. The only limit is like it can do 0.6 amps on 12 volts. But that's kind of enough for most basic routers if it doesn't have anything fancy like many USBs or too many antennas. So yeah, this $2 little thing can do a lot of stuff. It even can do like lamps. You just plug it in, and in case of no power, when the power is cut, you still have a lot of juice left. Let me just quickly calculate 0.6 amps. That's like 7 watts. So a 7 watt 12 volt LED strip can be powered with this. That's enough for a small room in case of emergency. And yeah, you can just put in parallel a lot of batteries, like 3 or 4 even. And this can last for so 600. Yeah, it takes like 1 point something amps from the battery. So like 2 hours per cell. If you have a good cell, that will give you 2 hours. Yeah. So like with 3 cells, you can have 6 hours of backup time. Even if it's a lamp or a router or whatever. And you can kind of increase that a bit, but you need really similar battery cells. That's the problem. So they don't discharge and charge asymmetrically. If they are different in age and capacity, then it's not good. So yeah, this is not a BMS. I mean, it's a BMS for just one cell. It can't balance. So yeah, this is quite useful. I bought 2 of them. OKY3501-10. Yeah. Battery protection module, that's the official naming, but we all know that's not what it is. Yep, that would be useful. Video coming up. And the other thing here is should be DDR4 4 gig for my multimedia PC. That's not meant for gaming or any heavy loads, but it became a Ryzen 1600 AF, and it has 8 gigs now. That's not enough for Windows 11. It barely opens a few web pages and then it chokes. So let's see. Did I open this right? Oh, I did. So it should be some shitty brand. I don't know if yeah. The other stick is Team Group Elite. Yeah. 3200 megahertz or mega switchings. I know there was a little controversy around this because it's not really megahertz, it's mega transfers. And this is the same CL22, even though it's not shown here. Oh, here. Probably it's on the other module too. 22. So they will probably match and hopefully give me some productivity in the bed. While I'm watching something, I can code or have AI code for me. So yeah, this was 20 bucks. Less than 20 bucks. And they are saying that prices will go up because next year most producers will stop production. And that's kind of a shitty thing because, in my opinion, these old Ryzen processors and even Intel processors with DDR4 are quite good. They can still perform whatever you need today. You don't need to upgrade for 5 years at least, unless they force you somehow. You need to install more RAM and see that prices have gone up 2x, 3x, and then you think, maybe GDDR5 is the way to go, or 6. And GDDR, not GDDR, DDR. I'm being silly. So yeah, I bought this because prices are going up. And hopefully you do too, because you'll be forced to sell your system. If you need more RAM and it's too expensive, next year production is stopping. Like 70% of the production is stopping for DDR4. And that's kind of a stupid thing. I don't know if DDR5 is that much better because the latency is worse on them. So, yeah, pick your poison. Less frequency, better latency, and DDR5. You choose. They're both fine, I think, but you can't keep going up with latency. They have to fix that. They have to improve the standards and stuff. I bet they can. Maybe they'll have to change the standard of the memory, the way it works. Add more channels maybe. And yeah. Soon it will have to be a lot faster than this. And a lot faster than DDR5. So yeah, I'll leave links for these in the description. If you happen to need these from Romania, or search for the model numbers on other websites. And see you in the next video.